Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll be working here on 2016 F-150, guys, but you have two different fuse boxes and we'll need to work in each one of them. The first fuse that we'll need to check will be in the fuse box that's located under the hood. When you open your hood, right behind the car battery, guys, that's your car battery, you have a cover right here with a fuse box. You open that cover and you'll see a fuse box that will look just like this one. This will be the front of your F-150. This one will be towards the windshield. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't spend time and money you don't need to. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So which fuse, guys, you need to check here specifically? Now you can see you have different kinds of fuses and relays that could be fault specific and really hard to find, especially if you live in a small town or you blow a fuse in the middle of nowhere or a small town and you may be stuck there. So other thing, they can be really expensive at the parts stores. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, so check it out. That's for your convenience. I always keep some spares in the glove box so I'm not stuck in the middle of nowhere. The fuse, guys, for the rear power sliding window, the first fuse we need to check will be in that fuse panel right here. If you come in that row on the very left side, right under that relay, the first fuse, that 30 amp fuse in our case, that's the one that you will need to check. Then you have another one that's located inside your F-150, talking about the foot well right here where that kick panel is. You remove that cover and once you open it, guys, you're going to see a fuse box that will look just like this one. Now which fuse you need to check here, guys? It's another fuse, and if you come now, okay, if you come right here, okay, you will see, guys, okay, that you have fuses that some are doubles, but the fuse that you need to check is fuse number 23. That 10 amp fuse right here will need to be checked, that 10 amp fuse here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.